Today we will be filming a story about a puppet dog. Yep, right here. He loves you already. Anyways, one moment. The puppet dog was strolling around this. Hold on, I'm not ready yet. I'm sorry. Puppy shall entertain you for a little. Okay, this is a story about a cute little puppy named Woofers, who finally got adopted. Once, Woofers was just strolling along the sidewalk. He was so hungry. He could barely walk. He decided to take a nap. All of a sudden, a random bed came flying out. A random bed came flying out from nearby houses. Jefferson was overfilled with joy. Of course, it was a little dirty. Had some mud spots, but it was better than sleeping in a grass field. So that night, Jefferson finally got his first sleep in a real bed. He was so happy. He was overjoyed. He had to wait until it was day or until falling asleep. The next day, Jefferson could barely get up. He thought his bed was way too comfortable to get out of. But somehow, he managed to get out of bed. He continued down. He didn't know what to do now, so Jefferson just sat there, all alone. He decided to rest his eyes for a moment. Jefferson was having a great time, just resting his eyes and getting more sleep. Suddenly, a little puppy came tumbling in. He landed right on Jefferson. That made Jefferson crazy to wake up. He was gonna find who did it. He was so wild that he barely even noticed the puppy. Jefferson jumped back. He was terrified. He started barking at it. Rah, rah, rah. He didn't know what to do. The puppy just stayed calm. And then that storm starting to attack the puppy. Puppy tumbled over again. The puppy stayed right there. He didn't seem that terrified. Captain Jefferson told him in a dog language, "You better stay on your side." He wished that he didn't have to deal with all of this drama. He was just way too annoyed to deal with it, but he had to, so he continued resting his eyes. Minutes later, something was thrown out. Jefferson smelled it. Jefferson could smell it. And then he took it. He put it on his hat. The puppy didn't wake up. Jefferson went back to resting. He woke up a few minutes later. He was starving. He remembered the clam he had found, so he decided to eat that. He was enjoying a nice yummy meal. When he had his leftovers, which were a lot, he gave it to the puppy. The puppy still didn't wake up. But the puppy did just wiggle up a little. He did wiggle up a little. This time Rufferson did not bark at him. Rufferson stared. Then Rufferson decided to pick up the food and then put him in front of him. The puppy was on too high of a hill. Also, he was still very tired for no reason at all. The puppy decided to wiggle up right next to the bed. Rufferson still was very confused, so he picked up the food again. Then he finally gave it to him. The food didn't slide down. It was night again, and Rufferson was going to go to sleep. Attention, we are keeping the lights on for this so you can see what is happening. Then, that's when Rufferson learned the secret. The puppy woke up. Finally, that was the first time the puppy had ever woken up. But the puppy didn't do much. He walked down the hill. She walked down the hill, sat there, rolled around a little, jumped. The puppy seemed to be getting anxious and nervous. Until, randomly, a big dog showed up. The big dog examined Rufferson, then came to the baby, who was giving it kisses. The puppy was showing it the food. It picked up the food and went to the nearby hill, placed it on the food, and then they both ate the leftovers. They were both full from the leftovers. Then they both went back to sleep. The mama puppy, the big dog, also the mama puppy, went back and laid down on a hill. And then that's when the other puppy also joined it. They are both just sleeping happily. And then they were both just sleeping happily. But the puppy woke up, and puppy couldn't sleep. Puppy realized the mama also couldn't sleep. So they just hanged out. But that's when Rufferson woke up. Rufferson was so surprised. Rufferson was barking. He was doing the exact same thing when they first met. The little pups said, he's just nervous. He doesn't want anything bad to happen. Rufus, Mama was like, okay. He was like, the mom fought back. It scared Rufferson. Rufferson hid himself. But then the little puppy, Pepsi, said, no, he's the one that gave us the food. Why did you do that? Because he could have hurt us. But he wasn't going to, said the little puppy. They all decided to go to sleep after that. It became nightfall very quickly. It was about 7 a.m. It was still dark for some reason. But that's when something else was thrown back in. A lobster had been thrown in. It became day. Rufferson was the first one to wake up. Rufferson was overjoyed. Again. Rufferson kept jumping and jumping and jumping. Rufferson rested his eyes again for a little while, like usual. But that's when, that's when Puppy woke up. He woke his mom up. They were both overjoyed. They both got the lobster and started eating it. They were both starving. Petsy and the mom both went to sleep again. They were so stuffed that they became tired. But that's the problem. They were so stuffed that they barely left any for Wolverton. It was such a small amount. Wolverton woke up a few minutes later, looking to see that his thing was gone, that he just had leftover tiny scraps. He examined it, then also sniffed it. Then he went over to the tiny puppy. It still kind of had a normal scent, but also a bit of lobster. And this also had a little bit of the puppy scent. But there's another mysterious smell. The lobster smell got stronger. But then he found the other one. He realized that they had eaten his stuff. He was so sad, but he could only eat that lobster. That tiny bit of lobster that was all of the food he had. He finished it in barely any seconds. Being sad and disappointed in what the puppy and its mom had done, Rufferson went back to sleep in his delightful bed. He was gonna make something soon. He had to dream about it. Rufferson dreamed about his little brother. Well, I mean his sibling coming over his bed. Restart that scene. I'm so sorry, guys. Rufferson dreamed about his little. Restart again. Rufferson was dreaming. Hold on, restart one more time. Okay, good. Rufferson was dreaming about his little siblings. Also, he was little, but they were the same age. But he visited about them visiting each other and staying right there. Rufferson missed the little one. They were the same age, but he missed Pip so much. Pip was his little sister. He missed her so much. Rufferson is actually a boy. Sorry for the disclaimer, but Rufferson is actually a boy. I mean a girl. Then one day, a visitor came. Slightly in his dream, but he just could only sniff them, like smell them. He couldn't see them in his dream. He was really sad that his little sister may not also have been there in the dream, but Maybe he would come someday. Jefferson woke up to see what the smell was. He realized he had gotten a little dirty from the bed, but that was okay. He could just shake himself off. Good as new. Then he turned around and he saw a random dog. She saw a random dog. She didn't know why he was there, but all he could say, the dog said, "Oh my God, there's actually a family of dogs back here. Oh my God, I have to tell my family." We are not the family. They are, I don't really know what to call them anymore, but they're people. We don't get along that well and we don't talk that much, but we're not friends, but we're alright. I have to tell my owners about this. Jefferson was so confused. He went to sleep, but he went back to sleep, but he just couldn't stop thinking about it. It became night soon. Then it was day. He just couldn't stop thinking about it. Days after days, Jefferson couldn't stop thinking about it. Then one day, as Jefferson was sleeping, and don't worry, he was waking up, just not in the times we are showing. One day, Jefferson got a very good surprise. My dog. What is it? Oh my God, a whole family of dogs living back here? No wonder I couldn't find any ants. I really thought there would be ants somewhere. But it seems like they've been eating all of it. Oh my God. I want to pet them, but I've just got to wait for them to wake up. Oh. Oh. Hi. Oh, you're really cute. Hi, would you like to come live with us? You would? Oh, that's incredible. You know what? You're gonna come live with us. I'll get them in a minute. You're tough to carry. You're squirmy. Then I also have to carry my own dog back. Okay, come on everyone. We'll be back in a moment. Alright, the dogs are back. Now there's 2 other dogs here. They're both still asleep. Hi, little one. What are you doing out here? You two look kind of similar. No, it can't be you two. Maybe. I don't know. I'll take you in too. Come on. Well, you little squirmer. Anyways. Hello, little one. You're wanting to sleep so badly, aren't you? Don't worry, I'll carry you. Then you must be the mom. You're the biggest one here. Maybe you're the mom of all of them. I don't know. Anyways. Hey, that's the bed I threw out. Has this dog been sleeping on that bed? I hope not. It was so muddy. Alright, everyone. This is the dog center where we keep every single dog here that we find and rescue. Then sometimes they get to come out, but we have a lot of animals up here. Now, everyone, do not worry. Fan break, one moment. Anyways, you guys are gonna get along so great, I hope. Now, oh, you little rascal. That's perfect. Well, I'm gonna name you Rascal. No. No? No, not Rascal, not Rascal. You bark a lot. And some people call that Wooferson. Yes, you like that name, don't you? Okay, that's good. Now, Wooferson, sit. Good boy. Lay. Good boy. Everyone, please get along here while I'm gone. You may even get to meet some of the other animals. So tired. You know what? I'll just not open my eyes. There. Hello. Well, actually, I'll just stay squinting instead. That should work. That should work, everyone, right? Oh, well, hello. Hi. Who are you? I'm Betsy. Who are you? I'm Pip. I'm that guy's sister. Little sister? No, just sister. Look, I know I'm little, but we know those hot dogs? Yes. That. And then we have a big fluffy sled dog. So I got in between. So I'm a tiny sled dog thing. Oh. Well, I'm sorry for accusing you of being little. That's okay. It happens a lot. But I'm still young. I'm like 1 year old. Oh my god, it's really you. I can't believe it. I haven't seen you in forever. I know you too. Maybe we should all be friends here. I think that would work, right? Yeah, I think that would work. I just want to get back to sleep, nothing else. So, good night. And then, well, okay. Well, we all don't have a mom other than me, well, who is here. So, yes, I guess my mom is also your guys' mom. So, yeah. There we go. Okay, I guess. Well, it's like 3 a.m. So I'm going back to sleep before I get possessed. Same. Boo. Okay, this should be perfect. There's so many of them that this thing should keep a lot of them held. Good morning, Wooferson. Now, you're not the smallest one here. You're pretty small. Now, do you want to go back to sleep? Yeah, you do? Okay, let me just pick you up. We're going to put you right in here. Okay, there. Now, let's get to this. Hello. You seem pretty sweet. You're like the smallest one, so you're gonna go right in here, right? You can sleep right there. I'll be giving you beds. Okay. You are the, well, third biggest one, so you're gonna go right there next to where Wooferson went. I think you're too big for these. You're the fourth biggest, so you're gonna go right up here. Now there we go. We have a place for the dogs. So yeah. There we go. Wait, who is this? Oh, wait, it's my little one. Now you have to get a bath. You are playing outside. No, well, kind of. More like bath time. Okay, guys, I'll be back in just a moment, alright? Most people are still asleep. Let's do the time. My actual dogs and animals won't know what this means. Now, everyone should be up in a moment, and we have a lot. So, yeah. Oh, hello. You're already here. So cute. We rescued Hermione's cat because, well, Hermione's cat wasn't getting a home back. Hermione's cat somehow escaped, and we found Hermione's cat, but we just couldn't find Hermione. We're still trying to return a cat to her, but for now, she's our little rescue one. She's adorable. And she's so sweet. Oopsies, I'm sorry. Oh, you can stay right there while you wait for everyone to wake up. Or you can rest for a little while longer. Now, everyone should be waking up soon. Oh, hello, Midnight. You're adorable. Yes, you are. So cute. Isn't it adorable? I love this little one so much. Anyways, this is its leash. It's like its leash and it hasn't let me take it off, so. Yeah. Now you can sit here, I guess, for a little until it wakes up. Oh, yes. And I forgot to introduce you to my horse. Now, we shall get everyone as soon as possible, so please do not leave the video. Also, if you guys said horse, if I said horse, I meant to get socks. I love socks so much. Just look at this cute little face. He's hilarious. Okay. Girlie, be quiet. Anyways, and we have my dog. So guys, that was the end of the video. About the dog who gets it home. But yes, socks is hilarious. Please consider subscribing. I'm sorry that was like 20. Okay, hold on. You. Okay, good. Please, I'm sorry this was so long, but please subscribe. Oh my god, I cannot today. Hold on. Please like and subscribe. It could help a lot. Even if you're not going to watch my videos, please, if you could do it, that would help me so much. It would just help me. So yes, thanks for watching. Bye guys.